Sir, where are you from?
We are from Assam.
Assam. So, which stall you are focusing like?
So we are popularly known as BJN Silver House.
Okay.
So we are selling tea varieties here. We actually have 3 tea varieties. We have the white tea here, the moonlight variety, and then we have the steamed green tea. Actually, it is out of stock. Okay, and here we have the smoky green tea. So the smoky green specialties, it has been pan fried to have a smoky aroma, as you can see here. This is the white tea here. This is the white tea here. So it has a white petal-like leaves, and this is the steamed green tea. And here
smoky green tea.
we have the smoky green tea. And here, as you can see here, the most premium tea we have is the white tea. So the specialty of the white tea is that it has high antioxidants, and it also lowers the bad cholesterol in our body. So that is very beneficial to lower the body pressure and everything. So that is more or less very beneficial for our health.
So, this all tea are produced in Assam?
Yes, sir. We have been producing. We are student entrepreneurs, so it is our own startup.
Yeah, own startup from my home yard garden.
You are doing very nice. Thank you very much.
so
Have a
much.
nice day.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay.
Do visit again.
Yes.